ZenGo wallet versus Coinomi wallet. Which crypto wallet is better? Links to both wallets are in the description below. In this video, we're going to compare ZenGo wallet and Coinomi wallet, two popular choices for crypto storage, and help you determine which one is better for your needs. ZenGo wallet is a modern mobile-first wallet that focuses on making cryptocurrency management simple and secure. One of its standout features is keyless security, powered by multi-party computation, MPC, which removes the need for private key management. This offers an extra layer of protection for beginners, as you don't have to worry about losing your private keys. ZenGo supports over 70 cryptocurrencies and provides an intuitive interface, making it ideal for new users and those looking for a wallet that combines ease of use with strong security. The wallet also supports buying, swapping, and earning interest on assets directly within the app. ZenGo's cloud backup feature ensures that your assets are always recoverable, even if you lose your phone. On the other hand, Coinomi Wallet is a veteran in the crypto space, known for its wide range of supported cryptocurrencies, over 1,770 coins and tokens. It's a non-custodial wallet that gives users full control over their private keys, offering both mobile and desktop versions. Coinomi provides features like multi-currency support, seamless cross-chain token swaps, and integration with hardware wallets. It's an excellent choice for experienced users who are comfortable managing their own private keys and want access to a large variety of digital assets. Coinomi also prioritizes security with features like a recovery phrase and strong encryption, and it's designed to be simple, fast, and flexible for users who need a wallet with broad crypto support. When comparing ZenGo and Coinomi, your decision comes down to what you prioritize. ZenGo is perfect for beginners or those who value keyless security and ease of use. Coinomi, however, is more suitable for advanced users who need support for a wide range of cryptocurrencies and are comfortable managing their own keys. Both wallets have strong security features and a user-friendly experience, but your choice will depend on whether you prefer simplicity or comprehensive multi-asset support. For more information, check out the links in the description.